Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful Superduo or twin beads ring that is made from 2 whole beads and seed beads. If you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I will answer to all of your questions in the comments, and you don't know how much you help me with this. And you could also check my merch store where you could find mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, tanks, phone covers and so many other stuff, and the designs are made especially from me for you. This is a great present for your beading friends or for yourself, and you really support me, my mission and my cause by buying stuff from there, and you could find links down there in description and here at the eye icon. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I need for this video is 4mm bead or pearl, and I'm using these Superduo beads, or you could use twin beads or Asmara beads. These are beautiful 2 whole beads, and I need 10 of them, and I'm using 11 seed beads in black and white, and I'm using size 10 beading needle, and I use here monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice, and I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. If you use regular beading thread, you won't need the pliers because they are made flat and they easily go through the eye of this needle. And I'm using scissors here, and now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I will start. Okay, and I will start by taking 10 of these beautiful beads, twin beads or Superduo beads or Asmara beads, whatever brand you have. Okay, and I have my 10 here, and I'm sliding them down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I'm going to make a knot. Okay, making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling just like that. And now I will go around all of my beads here. Okay, and go 1 or 2 times, whatever you feel, whenever you feel your work is secure. And now it's time to add your middle bead. Okay, so I will take my middle bead, okay, like that, and as I'm exiting from this Superduo, you see here is where my thread is. Exiting out of this one, I will go through the opposite one, okay, like this, and I will go with my needle in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. If you don't know which is the opposite, count 1, 2, 3, 4 beads and go through the 5th one. Okay, and now I'm pulling, and I have this bead here in the middle of my work. Okay, and as I'm exiting from this hole here, I will go out of the same Superduo in this direction, and I'm taking 1 black bead, and I'm going here through my next Superduo, and I'm taking 1 more, going through the following Superduo, taking 1 more, and I will do this, guys, until the end of this row. Okay, and now what I want to do is exit here through this bead, and I need 3 more seed beads. Okay, I'm going here. Okay, and from here is where I'm going to start my ring band. So I'm going through the other hole of my tween, and then I'm going back through these black beads here. Okay, just like that. And I'm going through this middle bead of those 3 that I just added, and I need to add 5 beads. Okay, I have 5, and I'm going back in circle through these beads that I just added. Okay, and now I have a circle of 6 beads. Okay, and I want to reinforce this circle, and I'm going to turn my work the way it's easier for me. Okay, now what I need to do is take one white bead, and again I'm going through the opposite bead of this circle. So I'm counting 1, 2, and I'm going through the third one, and I'm going in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, like that. Then I will go through these 2 beads here in this direction, and what I need are 5 more of these black beads. Okay, I have 5, and I'm going through this 6th one like that, and I want to go around one more time through all of my beads here. Like that, going through these 2 beads, and I need 1 more white bead, and I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and in the same direction where my thread is originally pointing to. Okay, pulling, tightening up, going here, and this is, guys, how I'm forming my ring band. I will make as many flowers um, as I want in order to be able to wrap this around my finger like that. Okay, I will do this off camera. If you forgot how I did it, just rewind this video and watch it, and you will see how I'm doing this ring band. And when you're ready, I'll meet you here to show you how to finish it. Okay, guys, and now I have ring band long enough to wrap it around my finger, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to the other side, to the opposite bead. And how I'm finding the opposite bead: from this one here I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going through the 5th one here. Okay, this is the 5th one. Okay, and what should I do is take 1 seed bead, go through this one here. Okay, just like that. Then I will go through this one here in the middle, and then I will go through this seed bead. Okay, and I'm taking 1 more seed bead, and I'm going back through this here. Okay, then I'm going through this seed bead again. Okay, through this one again, Okay, and I want to reinforce this as many times as I can. Okay, like that. Here. And what I want to do is find a place to make a knot. Okay, I'm going here in my chain ring band. Okay, and I will choose place between those two beads, let's say, and I'm making a loop, going once, going second time through this loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and that's almost it. You could do this several more times, cut your thread, and your ring will be ready. Okay guys, and now my ring is ready. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you helped me with this. You helped me so much. And you could also check my merch store where you could find mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, pillows, phone covers and so many other stuff, and the designs are made especially from me for you. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.